This is the perfect spot.
Leo, there's a sign here.
What sign?
Reserved for birthday party.
Oh, I don't see a party.
Maybe they're late. Or maybe we should move.
No, it's fine. They won't come.
Leo, please. Let's find another spot.
Okay, let's move.
Again? My legs are tired already.
We walked 2 minutes, Ben. 2 long minutes.
Here, under this big tree. Perfect.
Yes, this is nice. Okay, let's set up.
I'll put the blanket down.
Careful. Make sure it's flat.
Done. Beautiful.
Dad, it's flying! The blanket is running away.
Come back here.
Our picnic hero.
Put the food bags on the corners. That will hold it.
Smart. See? I was gonna do that.
Sure you were.
Mom, where should I sit?
Anywhere, sweetie.
I want to sit next to the food.
Of course you do. Okay, sandwiches, fruit, juice, cookies.
Cookies first?
No, sandwich first.
Every time. Mom, this sandwich is really good.
Thank you, sweetie.
Mom, there's something on my sandwich.
That's lettuce, Ben.
I don't like green things.
You like money. Money is green. That's different.
Okay, who wants juice?
Me, please.
1 second.
Just twist it, Leo.
I am twisting it. It's stuck.
Dad, you're turning it the wrong way.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
See? I got it.
After 2 minutes.
It was a tough bottle.
Dad, look.
Ants.
Where? On the blanket. Near your foot.
Where?
Dad is scared of ants?
I'm not scared. I'm surprised.
Very surprised. There's only 3 ants, Dad.
3 today. 300 tomorrow.
That's not how ants work. Actually, it is. I learned it in school.
Great. Now move the food away from them.
Done. Problem solved.
Dad, they're following the plate.
Of course they are.
Just eat. Ignore the ants.
Mom, can ants swim?
What? What?
If I pour juice on them, will they swim?
Ben, no. Don't pour juice on ants.
I'm just asking. For science. For science. Sure, Ben. Mom, can I go look at the pond again?
Okay. But don't go near the water.
I know. Ducks bite. I'll watch him, Mom.
Thank you, Ruby.
Here, ducks. I have more bread. Ben, don't throw it all at once. Oops. Too late. Of course. Ruby, do you hear that?
Hear what?
Someone is crying behind that tree. I don't hear anything. Shh. Listen. Oh, I hear it now. Hey, are you okay? I want my mama. Where is your mama? I don't know. She was here. Now she's not.
What's your name?
Sam. Sam. Sam, how old are you? 5. Don't cry, Sam. We'll help you. Ben, go get Mom and Dad. Now. Dad, come quick.
What happened?
There's a little boy. He's lost. He's crying.
Where?
By the pond.
Behind the big tree.
Mm.
Show me.
Oh, sweetheart. It's okay. We're here now.
I want my mama.
We'll find her. Don't worry.
Sam, do you know your mama's phone number?
She wrote it on my hand. For emergencies. Smart mama.
Let me see. Okay, I'll call right now.
No?
It's ringing.
Ringing. It's ringing.
Good. Nobody is answering.
Try again.
Nothing. Wrong number, maybe.
Maybe she wrote it wrong because she was in a hurry. Or maybe Sam's hand got sweaty and the numbers changed. The last number is smudged. I can't read it.
Could be a 3 or an 8.
Try both.
Nothing. Nothing.
Oh, no!
Okay. I'll walk around and ask people.
Good idea. I'll stay with Sam.
Excuse me. Did anyone lose a child? A little boy? 5 years old? His name is Sam. Are you looking for a little boy named Sam?
Yes.
Yes.
Over there, by the big tree. Is he yours?
Sam?
Sam?
That's not my son. He's not yours? No. My son is lost too. His name is Max. He's 6.
two kids are lost?
How did you lose him?
I sat on a bench. He was playing right in front of me. I looked at my phone. Just 1 minute. When I looked up, he was gone. Oh no.
Okay, so now we have 2 lost children.
We need help. This park is too big.
Dad, I have an idea.
What, Ben?
The ice cream man. He has a speaker. I heard it when we came in. He was shouting, "Ice cream! Ice cream!" Ben, that's actually brilliant.
Oh, it is?
Don't look so shocked.
Let's go. Where is the ice cream cart?
Near the entrance. I remember because I wanted ice cream.
Of course you remember the ice cream location.
Excuse me, sir. We need your help.
Ice cream?
Oh. We need your speaker. 2 children are lost in this park.
Lost? Oh no! Here, use it.
Attention, everyone in the park. 2 children are lost.
A boy named Sam, 5 years old, and a boy named Max, 6 years old.
Sam is by the big tree near the pond.
If you are Sam's mother or Max's mother, please come to the ice cream cart near the entrance. Thank you.
Did it work?
We wait now. Nobody is coming. Give it time, Ben.
Sam? My Sam? Where is he?
He's there. By the big tree. With my daughter.
Mama!
Oh, my baby. My baby.
Mama, I was scared.
I'm here. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Uta? But my Max. Where is my Max?
Dad, look!
Dang. Where?
Behind the ice cream cart. A little boy. Sitting on the ground.
Max?
Hi, Mama.
You were here? The whole time.
I found ice cream on the ground. He's like me.
Exactly like you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Your son is brave.
I looked away for 1 second. Just 1 second. And he was gone.
I understand.
1 second is all it takes.
What, Dad? Why are you looking at me like that?
Nothing. Just stay close, okay?
I'm right here, Dad.
I know. I want to keep it that way.
Best picnic ever. We found 2 lost boys, fed ducks, fought ants, and Dad couldn't open a bottle.
You had to add the bottle part.
It was important information. Mom, today was an adventure.
The best adventures are the ones you don't plan.
Can we come back next week?
Maybe without the lost children part.
But that was the best part.
Keep your loved ones close. Life changes in 1 second.